Luna Classic is testing a major resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We have been killing it in our Telegram channel, almost 200% in the past 2 weeks, and we are about to push 400 members. Make sure to check out the link. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in a $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Luna Classic yesterday, I mentioned that we are creating a midterm support level here at the 12 range, and we could be looking for another retest on the 14 resistance. As of right now, you can see that the whales have tried retesting that level, failing to break above it, and as of right now, it's going to be very important for us to try to break above 14 and use it as support. Luna Classic has now entered a consolidation zone within this range of the 14 to 11.7, but it's going to be very crucial to try to break above the 14 resistance because, as you guys know from previous price analysis, this level acted as a very strong support. Now that we are seeing the same retest opportunities as resistance, this of course is a very bearish format, and we could be looking for a much stronger move towards the 86 range, which I have been talking about for a few weeks. Zooming out on the chart here, you'll notice the fact that we actually managed to test this level multiple times before we had an explosive move on Luna Classic, and the fact that we are now entering this range once again isn't a bullish confirmation. This is actually a bearish confirmation because, as you guys already know, the more times a support level is tested, the higher chances of it actually breaking. Zooming out on the chart here, you'll notice the fact that of course we have multiple strong bearish engulfing candles, but the good news is that we are now using the exponential moving averages as support. Although we are not seeing that volume come into the market where we see that curve in the EMAs, we are still heading into overbought territory, so I would be very careful looking for these buy opportunities within this range. If you look here, even on the daily time frame, you'll see a very clean rejection of the 14 resistance as well as our 20 exponential moving average, and the more times we end up rejecting off this level, the more bearish confirmations we get. Ideally, from a bullish confirmation, it would have to be that the daily exponential moving averages would actually come down and be used as support, and then we can start focusing on higher time frames. But right now, Luna Classic is not seeing the volume ideally. Of course, in the Telegram, I mentioned to you guys multiple times to pay attention to Bitcoin dominance chart because that'll give you guys a better understanding of altcoin season, but I'm not really expecting any sort of move sets to happen until dominance drops. You can see even here on the hourly time frame, we had a beautiful ladder case upwards, and immediately after we saw multiple bearish engulfing candles breaking right back into those exponential moving averages. This, as of right now, has become the second test opportunity on this 14 resistance. Now, of course, on the lower time frame, if we do end up seeing the bulls actually hold this area of support at the 12 and a possible retest on 14 once again, that's going to be the third test confirmation that we are looking for a possible buy opportunity. Now, in terms of the daily time frame though, I do want to mention one more thing. If we zoom out on the chart completely, I mentioned this to you guys many times, that Luna Classic has seen this pattern formation happen before. We saw the same sort of consolidation zone before creating a new high, and as of right now, we have actually been consolidating from all the way from September and until now. This, of course, is a very large period of consolidation, and if we do end up breaking below these support levels, this moveset is going to be absolutely insane. Of course, with Bitcoin and Ethereum seeing new highs being created, we could have the argument that, of course, the altcoins will tend to catch up, but for Luna Classic, this is going to be a very important deciding factor in whether or not it can try to break above the key resistance of 22. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in a free $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have one.